Want to practice trading without risking any real money? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5 in just a few simple steps. First, open the MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once it launches, click on File in the top left corner, then select Open an Account. A new window will appear showing available trading servers. You can select MetaQuote's demo or search for your preferred broker's demo server. Once you've selected a server, click Next. Now choose Open a Demo Account to trade virtual money without risk, then click Next again. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After that, choose your account type, leverage, and the amount of virtual money you want in your demo account. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. MetaTrader 5 will now create your demo account and display your login, ID, password, and server information. Make sure to save these details because you'll need them to log in later. Click Finish, and that's it. Your MetaTrader 5 demo account is now ready to use. You can start practicing trades, testing strategies, and learning the platform without risking any real money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other trading guides. Thanks for watching.